Hello my YouTubers, this is Slim Pig with another video for my Toyota Matrix 2003 XRS. Yeah, my Trinity. And this video is about basically putting a strut bar. I got a strut bar. I bought it from this guy, a really cool dude. I bought it at Facebook for $50 basically. Well, we do some trading, and basically he just charged me 50 bucks for the strut bar. And it's a cool strut bar. It matches my car, so I really like it because, it has the same color as my ride. The strut bar is red. And also I bought me some, what is it called, windshield wipers from the front and the back. So we're gonna get those two things installed. Sorry I haven't been making videos. I've been off and on with the videos, mostly off, but yeah, in the future hopefully I can make more videos, like simple videos. It's nothing complicated or anything like that, but anyways, yeah, let me show you the goodies and let's get to it.
All right, so we're gonna talk about first the windshield wipers I bought. I bought the Rain X Expert Fit. These ones are like, what's it called? Pretty pricey. The best value was the Michelin, which is that I normally buy, but in the back, in the rear windshield, they only sell the Rain X Expert Fit. So I normally buy the Michelin in the front, but I wanted to match all my windshield wipers, so I went all in with the Rain X Expert Fit. I know, you change these every like once in a while, you just throw them away and get new ones, but I just want to try these out and see how they work. I've been buying Michelin for a long time, and I just want to try something new. And I want to match all, three windshield wipers from, two in the front and one in the back. About the windshield wipers, basically, if you can see right there, the passenger side is shorter. Let me see. Yeah, it's shorter than the driver's side. So the driver's side is B21. I went with a beam. I don't know what that means, but I went with a 21. That's the size for it. So the driver's seat is 21, and the passenger seat for the windshield is 18. And then for the rear, this is what it is right here. It's R11-2. So that's the windshield wipers that I bought, and can't wait to put them on. Let's see, if it's better than Michelin's. But anyways, here's the strut bar I was talking about. It's red. I got it for 50 bucks within the trade value, I guess. I really, like the color. It's red, and I guess right there it's JDM. Yep. I don't know what who made this, but yeah, it's a pretty cool strut bar. And the previous owner, he already drilled the holes for it, so the holes right here, I don't need a drill or anything. I just need to put it on to my coilovers. So basically, if you don't have like a stock strut bar for your springs, like if you have like a coilovers, you always got to drill holes on it, because the coilovers are like fatter screws. And the cool thing about this is, the previous owner already had it on his car, and he just took them off, and then I bought them off him for the value of $50. Well, I kind of traded him, and this is what it is. So we're gonna install this, and see, the holes is already, oops, it's starting to, there you go. The holes is already drilled in, so I just gotta install it. Yeah. Well, let's get to this and see the final, the final results. Here's the old one. You just lift it up and basically you unhook this right here. You press this little thing right here. You put some pressure on that and you should able to, unhook. So let me see if I could try to get it in one hand. So you just press it with a key. There you go. And then you just unhook it. So here's the old one and here's the new one. Doesn't really make a difference. So buying those best value for Michelin, I would go for those ones. But like I said, I wanted to match, I'm like, I'm kind of that kind of person, that I like everything match. So that's why I got the Rain X Expert Fit. But yeah, I'm gonna install this one right here. So here's the rear windshield wiper, basically. Very easy installment. But yeah, let's go to the front and install the front ones. All right, after messing around, I was able to take this out. So basically, it's like you push this up, you pull it up, and then after that, you gotta take out from this hook right here. So there's a little hook right here. It's gonna like, you go inside and hook it up like that, and then you just pull it down, and then you take it out. That's how you do that. And I'm pretty sure it's the same thing in the other side. So now I'm gonna install the new one. It's kind of complicated. It has all these parts right here, but you just follow the instruction basically, and it's the same process. You just probably hook it to this right here, and I got my new windshield wipers basically. So after messing around with this thing, basically you don't take this out. For my car, actually, there's like these parts right here and right here, but basically you gotta know which parts do you need for your car. So I took this out, and you're not supposed to, and I put this on and I put this on, but when I try to put it on here, it didn't work. So basically, don't let these little clips like, fool you, because it can get complicated when you start like taking this out and putting this on, and then like it doesn't go with your, with your part, with your bracket. So you gotta know which basically which one's for you that fits in your car, which is this one right here for mine. And just try to copy like the previous one basically. And the instructions, it gives you all the instructions, but you just got to know which one, what part to put on. So I don't need these basically, and I got confused by putting it on, and I try to like equip it here, but basically I just need this part, and this thing is gonna go right. You put this up and it's gonna clip onto that basically. It's gonna go like that. So don't get confused like me. But yeah, I'm gonna get this installed, the same thing as that one over there, and then we're gonna install the strut bar. All right, folks, so I got this basically put back, because what I did is I put these extra parts right here that doesn't belong for my car. So you gotta know what kind of hook do you have, basically what kind of windshield you have. And I got the J hook, so I don't really need these, and I accidentally put it on and try to install it, which made it more complicated. So basically you just gotta know which hook of bracket you have to install certain parts for it. So if you don't need these, you don't need these. And also this part right here, where is it? This one right here, this little, I don't know, this piece doesn't like hook up to the hook. So I had to use my old one basically to make it fit here. I'm pretty sure maybe I got the wrong part, maybe. That's why it's not like hooking it as easily, but I'm just trying to make it work right now. And yeah, so I used this. This is the new part, and I took it out and used the old part, which is right here. And now I'm just gonna put it on. All right, folks, here's the brand new windshield wipers. All right, YouTubers, there she is. There is the JDM, I think this is called the Sports JDM strut bar for the Toyota Matrix XRS 2003. This is not like a direct fit, because if you're gonna have custom coilovers like this, you're gonna have to drill these holes a lot bigger to fit this screw right here. So it looks pretty cool, I guess. Yep, it matches my car. Yep. So there she is. There's my engine bay. It's coming along, you know, little by little. I don't do like hardcore, you know, mechanical things to my car because, you know, I'm not a mechanic or anything, but I just want to be, you know, participating in this YouTube because it's very useful. You know, a lot of people post a lot of videos that are useful, so I want to be part of that. And, you know, even though my videos are simple and easy to do, you know, you don't need a video for that, but yeah, I just want to basically make blogs about my Trinity. Yep. And yeah, I got my what is it called, my windshield wipers, and I don't know what's next from here. But I don't know what else videos I could do. I mean, I could do a lot of videos on this, but anyways, I'm just gonna take my time and try to post, you know, whenever I install a part, like even like the most simplest thing, I'll just make a video of it. Hopefully you guys are enjoying watching my video. You know, I don't expect you guys to subscribe or anything like that. You know, if you do run into it, you know, give me a like, and much appreciated. Thank you very much, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.